In this problem, we're going to be finding a line between 2 points. We are given the formula y minus y1 equals m open parentheses x minus x1 close parentheses. We're given these points -2, 4, and -5, -8. We're going to find both the slope and the equation of the line. Remember, the slope formula we're going to use is going to be the rise over the run. And the rise is the change in the y values over the change in the x values. So the change in the y values, well, let's go ahead and label these. This is going to be x sub 1 and y sub 1, x sub 2 and y sub 2. That means here x1 is representing the -2, y1 is representing 4, x2 is representing -5, and y sub 2 is representing -8. So let's plug these into our formula. We take -8 minus 4 all over the x values. We subtract them and do it in the same order. So we take -5 minus a -2. We can use our calculator to do those subtractions. -8 minus 4 equals, and it's going to be -12. Is our numerator, our top part, and then on the calculator again, -5 minus a -2. And I hit enter, and that gives me the answer of -3. So -12 over -3 then is a +4. So my slope is going to be 4. Now, the equation of a line. We're going to use the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And as you can see up here, we already have the points x1 and y1. x1 and y1 we're going to use like this. So whenever I see x1 and y1, I'm going to write y1 is 4 and x1 is -2. My slope is 4. And then I'm going to write the rest of the formula out. So this is going to be y minus the 4 from the y1 equals m, which is my 4 that I just calculated, times x minus -2, close parentheses. Now what we need to do is we need to simplify it. So now we have that in that form, now we can simplify. So to simplify this, we're going to, first of all, multiply the outside 4 and go 4x. And instead of multiplying, let's change this minus to a negative and change it to +2. Let's rewrite that first. Then let's go ahead and do this distribution. So this would be 4x plus 8. Now I've undone the multiplication with parentheses, the distributive property. I can go ahead and add 4 to both sides to get y by itself. And so I'm going to have y equals 4x, and then 8 plus 4 is 12. So the first one is called standard form, and the second one's called slope-intercept form.